Welcome back to the next video. So in this video we will be starting a new topic, which is immunity. But before starting this immunity topic, we will be watching some terms, which is some topic which is called health and disease. Health and disease. So what is mean by health? Health means well-being stated by mind and body both. Well-being stated by mind and body. Health means well-being stated by mind and body. And to be fit, we can say to be fit. How we can be fit? Like physical fitness. We should be fit like in physical fitness. We should maintain a physical fitness, mental fitness, and third we have social fitness. So these are the key points. We should be fit. Physical fitness, mental fitness, social fitness. And what is health? Absence of the health in body is called absence of disease in our body is called health. Absence of disease, absence of disease is called health. Now moving on the disease. So what is disease? So disease is we can say infection or illness caused by the pathogens. What is disease? Disease is like infection, illness caused in our body by pathogens. What are pathogens? Pathogens are the pathogens. Pathogens are the microorganisms. We can say microorganisms like bacteria. It is also pathogen, virus, fungi, and many more. So these are the called pathogens. And pathogens, we can say, can easily be transferred from one body to another by with a body contact and with many ways. Like these are also present in our air, in our atmosphere, in our surrounding. So pathogens are the microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Now, what is the effect of disease on pathogens? So pathogens causes disease. Pathogen pathogen cause disease in our body. Disease is caused by pathogen or pathogen cause disease, and it affect our immune system. Affect immune system. It affect our immune system and spread the disease in our body. To kill these pathogens, our body is, we can say, making the antibodies against these antigens or pathogens. Our body is making the antibodies which are using to kill these pathogens from our body. So we have the two, we can say, durations, acute, and now we have the duration which is acute duration, and we have chronic duration. So what is the difference between acute and chronic duration? So acute is, we can say, short, has a short duration, and it has a long term or prolonged, we can say prolonged. It has it has acute has a high intensity of symptoms, and it has a low intensity of symptoms. And what acute are commonly like flu, coughing, cough, influenza, fever. These are just the symptoms. These are not, we can say, a disease, major disease, but these are just the symptoms which only have, we can say, which only cause in the body for a short duration, for 1 hour or 3 to 4 hour, we can say, limited time. And it goes along, but not that much long, that chronic are. So chronic are like, the example of chronic are like TB, malaria. These are going a lot, these are the major diseases. And the TB is being caused by these bacteria. Mostly TB is caused by bacteria. Another example, we have malaria, which is caused by plasmodium. So these are which are caused by the, we can say, these are which are caused by the pathogens or major diseases are the causative organisms. These both are the causative organisms which cause the major diseases in our body like TB, malaria, fungal ringworm, and hepatitis, flu. These are the causative organisms. So now we have immunity. So what is immunity? Immunity is ability of our body to recognize, ability of body to recognize pathogens, kill or destroy pathogens, and protect itself and protect itself from this. Ability of our body to recognize pathogens, kill, destroy, and protect itself from to be affected by pathogens, to be affected. Immunity is ability of the body to recognize the pathogens, kill, destroy the pathogen, and protect itself from to be affected. We have the two types of the pathogens. We have the two types. We have, first we have innate pathogen, and another we have acquired pathogen. So what is the difference between these both, innate pathogen and the acquired pathogen? So the innate pathogen are the innate, not pathogen, sorry, it is the immunity. These are the type of immunity. So innate immunity and the acquired immunity. By mistake I have written pathogen. So the innate immunity is those that immunity which is present by birth, present by birth, uh, which is present in our body from the starting, means when we are born, that is present in our body. So present by birth, and this is present after birth, present after birth, or we can say during lifetime, are the acquired immunity. And this acquired immunity are also called advanced immunity. Acquired immunity also called advanced immunity. Second point, we have that these are non-specific. The innate immunity is a non-specific, and this is specific. These antigens are made, the acquired immunity antibodies are made for any specific antigen, any specific pathogen, but innate immunity make the antibodies for the not any specific antigen, and not any specific pathogen. It kill the it can kill any of the, we can say, any of the antigens. It can kill any of the antigen. It is the non-specific and it is the specific. And example, we are taking the non-specific innate immunity. Example, like we have skin is a, we can say, present by birth, and in this we have the antigens, which is for which our body make antibodies. Our body make antibodies. These are the antigens for to fight against the antigens. Our body make the antibodies. So now the acquired immunity is further divided into two types, which is passive and active. Passive and active. Just we have passive and we have active. So passive are the passive immunity, passive 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 acquired immunity is those immunity or those means who cannot make, the a person who cannot make antibodies against the antigens in his own body, means taking the antibodies to protect from the antigens, to protect to be get protected from the antigens, taking the antibodies from the outside, taking the antibodies from another person, like a, a boy is when he's in the in his mother womb, so he will be taking the antibodies from his mother. Antibodies, his mother will be providing his antibodies. So that is the coming in the passive. And what is the active? Active is those who make the antibodies against the antigens, means a body which can make antibodies against the antigens is active, and a body which cannot make the antibodies against the antigens is passive. So that was today's topic, and so see you in the next video.